Good afternoon. Are we live? Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Uh, we are live again. Get this. And we are going to tackle for exercise 4.7. Implement sequence and traverse for Ether. This should return the first error that's encountered, if there is one. Yeah, and they are providing the type signature. Remember in the option section, we implemented these two, and they were like intimidating at first, but then we managed to solve the thing. It is time for us to implement these functions for Ether. Yeah, and you are most likely hearing some background music, and that's because I am sharing with you this little music loop I came up yesterday using Pro Tools. And if you like it and you want to use it in your projects, check the video description. Right. I don't know if the music will be, if you're audible, if you can hear the music, because it is in a low volume for you, so you can hear my voice too, because at this point I haven't set up the microphone properly, I suppose. We are changing this to my Ether and this to my Ether, and all of this is looks good. It's time for us to implement the function, but if you are paying attention to the browser, you can see that I have over here the exercise related to option, because I would like to instead to copy and paste the pattern that we just came up in the last when we implemented these functions, so we can adapt the thing for like for my Ether. And why traverse first? Because we want to implement sequence in terms of traverse, and hopefully this will work. And if it doesn't, we will be in serious trouble, because I don't know, I didn't I just opened the book and read the exercise and prepared the live session, so I don't know how this will result, but at least we have good music. I am very proud of this little composition. Yeah, that's why I am sharing it with you. I wanted for a long time to come up with some music that I can play and repeat, like the music I like from artists, some guitar players, some pop singers, and I was telling myself, how can I come up with something that I want to put on replay? And this little loop is, I really like. I can listen to this like for an hour. Back to programming. Let's not waste too much of your time. I don't know how this will resolve. Hopefully, let's hope for the best as always. And we are going to adapt the thing. Okay, so we have as well, we are encountering uh, our first modification. In here we need an accumulator, and instead of sum we need to put a right, because this is the constructor for a successful value, you see. So we're going to change sum for right. List empty, this remains the same, this remains the same. And we have the function. This seems like a little intimidating too, right? Right. We have the function A and B, and we apply F to A, which is over here of type A, the list arriving. Look at this, and then we match. And if it is a left, the first error that it encounters, let's use error, but it can be information because it's just a string. Well, it's not a string, it's like information about the error. And it is some right of some value, yeah, I will do it. Let's see if this compiles. And we have two errors now. This map 2, we have map 2 over here in three forums. Now let's see the errors. And error E required nothing, but why is that? And over here, found some B. Oh, yeah. Remember, we are returning a right instead. Okay. Now we will. This should be cool in the next try. Uh-oh. I think we are okay. Now we are in serious trouble. I should read this thing. I'm not throwing myself with a great song with this epic failure. Let us take a look. Let's not desperate. Let's stick with the problem. 9 minutes. I suppose this will result in 1 hour video. I can listen to this song for an hour, so let's not worry about that. We are plugged to the power. And let's dissect this. We can sort out the pattern matching if it's necessary. Okay, so one thing at a time. I think this is okay. Okay, what's the problem with these two? Why it doesn't like this? First, I found error E required nothing, but why? We're sending a list of A. Okay. My haters. transforming, yeah. Exactly. List B. Alright. Right. List MTB. This is this accumulator. Could it be that that the accumulator should be of type EB? Do you think that's the problem? I don't think so. Let's follow me over here. And yeah, that's how. Yeah, this is like list and too many arguments. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is not the one. I think we are going to sort of pattern matching to dissect the thing and then abstract over the reverse EAB as list my 8 B, EB, my 8 B, list B, yeah, it should be this. I don't think we will be able to come up with a list for an within the hour. I didn't, I am not like thinking let's see the errors again. Don't worry. I don't understand this error because we are applying F to A, which is, you know, of type A, and we should be getting an eta. And we are pattern matching over. Where's some other? Yeah, over here. I don't understand this at all. Requires nothing, but why? Now here. There is some something wrong with the types. It's inferring like the wrong type. Look at this. Found is found. It's, you know, it's like we have a tuple. Remember the other day in here. I can okay, over here we have a tuple playground, my eta nothing B, and playground, my eta nothing list B. There's something wrong with this because we have the list B. We need this of this part. And also we need this to be not to be nothing. I don't remember what we did the other session. And if you are an Scala expert, maybe you are saying this like quite obvious. I don't. I'm not sorry. There's something wrong with the size. We need to sort out to pattern matching to see the whole picture and then come back to this. So I'm going to start writing. 15 minutes. It will take us half 1 hour and a half, and I will be called to lunch. I didn't take into account the time either. Yeah, just so okay, I'm going to copy paste this. And let's rename this to backup. And okay, we are going to. What do we need to send if we call from? Okay, let's start with the application of the function that we are trying to define. Loop. We need to send the A's, and we need to send an accumulator with according to us. It should be a list. Yes, it should be a list. Empty. Type B. What happens if we don't annotate the type first? So the type is not doing anything for us. There's nothing. Why? Let's put it back. I don't know if we are going to solve this. 70 minutes. Yeah, we should be able to do it. Look, yeah, that will be our. And let's start very basic with a loop function that is receiving maybe function is different. No, it's the same. And let's start very basic. We got rid of, we have this, Let's copy paste this because we need it. Maybe we should start in a blank plate and just stop adapting the. What's this? Okay, we have our loop which receives a list. Okay. Now we are matching like this. Okay. In case anything else, we are going to return ACC just to start very basic. And this is, I don't like this because it's implying any again, which is the error over here. Any. I'm going to put some question marks over here. And comment this. Anyway, Sunday, don't probably you have the entire day. I was thinking this will be something like copy paste and renames some for right, and look at where we are. Look at this. We are in trouble. But that's okay. The accumulator. Look at this. Probably here's the thing. Why do we have the option with this list tree? And this thing worked, you know. I think I'm saying some silly things. Of course, it will be the option. Sorry about that. There we go. Yes. Yes. I was, for a while, I was confused. Like, probably this might, it shouldn't be right, but my either. And of course, it's my either. What happened with this? Yeah. Either. Either. Yes. And now, this, if this, uh, if this doesn't compile, we will see that there is something wrong in here. Probably we should use EB, but I don't know how that it will be. At least doesn't take. Let's take a look at the time. 23 minutes, almost 4:24. My God. Level 3. Let's yeah, because we have this big string and the thing go with this scroll. Oh my Ether, oh my God. Ether 2. The thing is, it is compiling, you know, it's working. Okay, so the annotation, at least over here, is cool. Okay, this thing is starting to take shape. Now let's bring this. Now for some real. Why did it work? Okay. Now for real, so for some real trouble. Hey, hey, let's drink this. And the problem will be over here, right? Because this is the part that was getting us in trouble over here. Now, for some until this point, the thing was cool. Now, we need to apply the function. Match. Okay, now we are in this final part. And we need to we need to well, yeah, we need to apply the function f of x, which will give us my either, and we need to pattern match over this my either, so we need to do this. Well, I think it will, there's something wrong with this. No. There is some value. We're going to return an error. And let us what's this? Oh yeah. I'm nervous. As you can see how I am typing lots of value any required a found any required a. Let's the compiler should be warning us about this thing not being exhaustive, but let's be cool about that. You see, it will fail on the pattern, and also it is not tail recursive. But at least we are getting the signal that my either that right is missing. You see? Things. I wanted to isolate the stuff because if we mess what? I think I'm not thinking clearly right now. Why was some over here? Okay, maybe This is easy, but it won't be tail recursive, because this like it is not in, but now it's okay again. Now this is more harder than I was thinking. 30 minutes. And we are tinkering, yes, little by little. It's very careful with every step. It's probably, I don't know, it's just, if you read the One Hacker Way, they say probably some message that was spread over the internet some years ago. It says, move fast, break things. We are not moving fast, we are not breaking things. Probably that's wrong. Well, I don't know what you guys think about it. Sometimes I don't know. Let's see, but I don't know. Sometimes I want to learn and see what's happening instead. I suppose one hacker way applies to when you are trying to ship products as fast as you can to the market. But when you are like exercising a book or learning some material, going fast, I don't know if it is the right way to go. But enough talk. We have half an hour. I didn't think about this, but at least we are over here. And now we can let us see what's going on if we call traverse. We will need a list and a function. We don't have a function. Yeah, we will have probably we need a list. Later list haters equals list either 1, either 2, and we are giving it we need to give these haters and then provide a function to it. Why not? This is over here, traverse. No, there's something very wrong to say. Traverse. Why is it not finding this function? Why isn't? Now what? Should we move this to the companion object? Didn't like the automatic tab. Now we will have to do all this. Okay. There's I don't know, today I don't know. Why isn't finding this? Do we need an import? Okay, import my data. Right. Now let's import everything. At least it's finding the function. Yeah. We have several issues now. It's not a member of my ground trouble int. Well, we need to provide a function. Oh my god. To int. Where is to int? Send to int. Oh my god. Okay, we need to provide a function. Where is it? Okay, to my ether, and we are just look at what we are doing. We are not thinking here, right? We are like nervous, like not focused. And look what happened. We have consumed a lot of time, and what's happening is that you are applying an A to any A, which is, I don't know, and we need to provide an A to my ether. Let's suppose this is a string. It will give you an error as it is. We need to use this part. This like this we are doing everything wrong, right? We are not paying attention to the types. We are just messing up, tinkering, chaotic stuff, and this is, look at this. Why? Because we are not thinking. Traverse expects a list of 8, and we are sending a list of 8ers. So we need to provide a list of this 1, 2, 3. That's our first problem. Second, we need to provide an A to my either. You can find by applying this function, right? But let us see the error so you can see what Scala tells you. Found int required. Do you understand? Well, I don't know what kind of people will be seeing these videos. Also, if you're trying to learn something or at least how not to produce a live session, coding session, hopefully, hopefully you're getting something from this. For starters, pay attention to the types. Be focused. Don't be nervous. There's no one in here. You know. Now we need my agent, and we are going to copy paste this. And yeah, let us see if the Scala allows us to do this. It didn't like the thing because it is like too nested, I suppose. So let's make a Scala happy. Okay, and we get our empty list, which is the accumulator, because it's here. It's over here. Okay, we are making progress. We are making progress. Now let's tackle this part, and only after that we will try again. Probably this will end being another recorded video, in which will be transforming this to the flat map and map pulse. Now let's. So the thing is working until this point. Let's send an error so we can see that this is working too. Probably not, because we don't have a recursive function. So instead, let's put it over here. Okay, yeah. Look at this. Cool. Since we don't have a recursive function, you see, even when we have an error, that's about to change. How much time? I didn't think about this being that long. I should have started this from the very beginning instead of adapting the thing. Now the funny part. Probably this is an error. Let's use it. Let's paste it over here. Okay, we need to recurse. Loop. And loop requires a list of elements of type A, and we have one. We have tail, and also loop requires from us require from us. The accumulator transformed by application of some function. I think we are going to be in trouble. Why there isn't any map application over here? Map 2. Did we test map 2 at some point? ¡Ya voy! ¡Ya voy! I'm about to get some lunch. Oh, and run out of time. Yeah, it's time for me to lunch. Just one last thing, as Steve Jobs says. Steve Jobs. One last thing. Let's try this very fast. Now we fast. Now we fast. Break things before lunch. We need to transform. Where is map 2? Okay. Map 2 requires that. Yeah. This is like, we don't have a map 2 version over like we have over here. You see the error? Our map 2 is it's meant to be called in the object-oriented style. Now we get it, but we need to take some lunch. Hopefully you're seeing this. I totally forgot. That's why. That's the reason you should be blindly copy and pasting. Things changed. In here it is a function, but in our case for Ada it is inside the enum. So in here it's called different. For us it is. Let us see how. I don't know why there isn't any map 2 application over here. This is great. This. Well, how is it combined with application? Maybe. Yeah, who will be this? Let's try f of x. F only some a some a maybe a Christopher's some a. Okay. Some a. What's value? Probably we should introduce an intermediate name. Not two. SEC. This is very nested stuff. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Remember that we need to reverse this. Since now this is yeah, we got it. The thing is I need to take a lunch, but I'm very happy because we have another video live session continues for right now, and just give me 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and I will be back with you. And this was great. Don't copy and paste blindly, or at least immediately take a look at what you have different. There's something wrong still with this. I should go to get some lunch. This is so wrong. Look at this. Pattern matching. It's amazing. And still I am. I'm quite yeah, we still have the thing. What is ace? I found ace. What's this? Oh, we did have the question mark. I think the thing is compiling. Errors, yeah. It is great. We are almost there. Yeah, still we have another coming video. Yes. Because I have the pressure of my mother calling for me because I need to eat, so I am stopping this right now, but allow me 30 minutes and I should come back in a live session, not a recorded one, so you can see me suffering again and making lots of errors, lots of tries and errors. Yeah, I didn't think about it. Spending 2 hours with this today. Okay, see you in 20 minutes. With the same music. Buy the music. Yeah. Yeah, see you in 10 minutes. Bye.